back to the channel, man. I am back out here at this I think it's a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We had to go cut a key. You having a hard time? Ah, wow, still ain't turning. We cut a valet key because we didn't want to risk wasting, and you know the 2000 models are security system, so it has a security key, which means it is gray or silver. A gray or silver key usually indicates the car is equipped with a security alarm system, a factory security alarm system. But we didn't want to waste, we didn't want to try to crank it or try to turn the key with a high dollar key. So we cut a valet key. Lo and behold, it still won't work. Now what I want to do is show y'all old hack I employed a while back. Okay, so I want to show y'all it will not turn, people. It's cut. And now, like I say, if you are sure this is the correct steering column, meaning the ignition cylinder hasn't been changed, you know this is the correct steering column for the car, and you got the key cut from a dealer, meaning they have your key code and your security key code, if you're sure of that, then it should work. If you're sure all that's correct and it still won't turn, let me show you a trick, man. Take your hammer or a small object and just bang on that key. What we're trying to do is get the tumblers to release. Look at that. Y'all see that? See, now I got it released permanently. So all you want to do, all you're doing when you do this is bringing the tumblers down so they would clear and be able to turn. All right, now once you got that done, you can simply remove the lock cylinder out altogether. All right, the way you do that is this is a little right here. You push that in, but you can't do that unless the key is turned on. So I got the key on, push that in, and the lock cylinder will come out. All right, so there you have it. Now from there, you just got to recondition this or replace it, whichever one you want to do. You don't have to replace it. I've been known to clean these up and blow them out and put in new tumblers and everything's perfect. All right, so that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.